Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. And in this video, we are going to discuss about what is BPML. So what is BPML? So here the BPML, you can understand like what is the full form of BPML. Then we will see the how it will be used and in which phase you can use it. So BPML means Business Process Master List. So this BPML we prepare during the, if it is SAP methodology, we call during the blueprint phase. In Activate methodology, we do this during explore stage. So during the activate methodology, we prepare during this one, and this is SAP during blueprint stage. So when we are having the as-is discussions, get to know about some level, and you want to have a more covering related as-is discussions, we prepare the business process master list. So what are the different business processes are required for the client. So it may be, for example, when you make on the day one or during the blueprint phase or during explore stage, when you are making this one, it might cover 60% of the business process master list. And slowly, when the explore phase is completed and when we are going to realize stage, this can be 90%, it will be a 95%, it would be completed. So what is this business process master list? You can see here, there are level 1 and level 2. So what is this level 1 and level 2 and how it will be useful and what details we need to maintain it. You can see here, this is level 1 and this one is level 2. So level 1 if you consider about the P2P module, master data, purchasing, inventory management, logistic invoice verification, all these come under level 1. And level 2 will be the sub processes under master data. For example, under master data, we have material master, business partner, info record, source list, bill of material, output condition records. So these kind of what are the master data, we come under the level 2. And when it comes to purchasing, we have the different type of purchasing like MRP PO, normal PO, service PO, subcontracting. So these all level 2, we need to prepare it. So the level 3 and level 4, when it comes to the initial that stage, we definitely will not get that level 3 and level 4. But when it comes to the stage of almost explore is completed, we are reaching to the realize stage, or even the realize also in between level 4 can be. So that's why what we do, that the level 4 details we share after the project completion or also after realization completed, because these steps after when you're making the test scripts and what are the customizations we are including, after adding all those information, then only we get the clarity of level 3 and level 4. So what steps need to be required? So certain pretty standard, the clean core approach, when you're going for that, mostly you will come to know about the proper way how we are getting. But when it comes to level 3 and level 4, where if you have a customization, so those kind of a things, then there will be continuous amendments will be there. So level 3 is a step name. For example, we take one example so that you will understand. Material master, we are to create material with all the views. What are the materials? If you want to change, you can test the deletion of materials and display of material. For example, these are the 4 activities in a material master. So either material master Fiori you can give, or else the transaction code was, that is the level 4. Level 4 will be the transaction codes or the Fiori app names. Okay, if you are using only Fiori, not using any kind of transaction codes, then this is the Fiori app, the tile name. What is this tile name I'm talking about? That I will show you in Fiori once. So now we understand about what is level 1, what is level 2, and what is level 3, and what is level 4. So in the BPML, we are going to have the list of processes from purchasing. For example, if you take the normal procurement, create purchase order, create change display. Okay, if you have approval with flexible workflow or SAP standard transaction like approval, Then create inbound delivery, then the goods receipt posting VL32N. If you are using EWM, then the distribution will happen to EWM. Then EWM will do the activity of packing and goods receipt. After that, it will come to goods receipt, it will come to the ERP S4HANA. If it is only MM, you can write these steps. So level 1 will be the sub like master data purchasing, inventory management, invoice verification. Level 2 will be under master data, what are the different processes are there that we covered. And level 3 will be the each transaction text. So level 4 will be transaction code, either T-code, or you can give the Fiori app tile name. Okay. Let me give you how this one. So when I use this writing on the screen, we need to erase it. If you're using whiteboard, that's a different way. But this also has some specific comfort, like I can write on the go, right? So this is Fiori Launchpad. I'm going to Fiori Launchpad. So then I need to log in. So I was mentioning about the Fiori tile name, right? These are the tiles. For example, you take it central procurement. So this is the one. Like you can more better. I can mention business partner. So maintain business partner. So here we need to write in place of create business partner. We maintain the maintain business partner. The Fiori name. Okay. So maintain business partner we can use for that. The similar way, for example, you take it any goods receipt. Okay, process goods receipt. So this process goods receipt, you can check that how does it look like. So in Fiori also we can access this SAP Easy Access, but we want to see the Fiori, right? Oh, I don't want to log off. Yes. Goods receipt. We can see that it went to the SAP Easy Access. We can write the click on the SAP icon, it will come to the home screen. I assigned a lot of roles, that's why you can see many things are available. Okay. So if you want to processing any specific one, We can do that. See, this one is all EWM processing related. So these style names in future generation, like whoever the end users, mostly the transaction codes will be reduced. I mean, they don't use SAP GUI, they use the Fiori. When they use Fiori, they will remember like this warehouse activity monitor. So like that. So goods receipt processing. Yeah. If you come to the goods receipt processing, we have post goods receipt for inbound delivery, post goods receipt for production order. Yeah, this one. Post goods receipt for inbound delivery. So here the VL32N place, we need to give post goods receipt for inbound delivery. So in future, these Fiori app names will come. So where the inbound delivery will be given a goods receipt as part of testing. So this is the way how we can, for each transaction, SAP has given the Fiori name, Fiori app names that we can find, and each one we can make it. So even material, display material. So display material, there is an app. So here, display material. So like that, we can search for what are the apps available for each transaction code. So finally, the purpose of this video is that what is BPML? I hope you understand. And how does BPML look like? How to maintain it? I hope you got an idea. So during the explore stage, we get mostly the level 1 and level 2 will be finalized, but level 3 will be 50% would be finalized, or 60% based on the clean core. And wherever you are still having the clarifications and further discussions with the business, along with wherever you are adding the customized Fiori apps or customized any new transactions if you want to create it. So those things will be added. So that's why I told, like, in the realize stage, like when you reach to realize stage, your BPML would be 80 to 85% will be completed. But at the same time, there would be little changes and modifications would be happening when you reach the stage of UAT or that stage. It will be almost 95%. The BPML will be finalized. So I hope you got an idea. So level 1, level 2, you complete by explore stage. Level 3, by explore stage, you may be at the 40-50% of the stage, or sometimes 80%, because you are preparing the process flow to the business, right? How will your procurement process happen? So at that point of time, you already came to 70 to 80% of the category, like the confidence or the finalization of the processes also would have been done by when you start the realize stage. So this is the way how you need to prepare BPML, and you can also prepare, and what are the list of processes you have, what are the different steps are there. Either you can do the goods receipt related, what like I told you, the transaction codes or Fiori app name. So both are the level 4 only. Whatever you want to give, that we can give and we can maintain accordingly. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions related to BPML, please shoot your question, so that definitely I will come up with detailed explanation. Thank you.